Hi friends, I am going to show you a condenser microphone. It is very beautiful and very designable. Its name is AKG. It is very famous and very genuine equipment for singing and voice. Now I am going to show you by unlocking it. Its model is AKG p120. How can it? Now I am open it. It is its voucher. It means bill. And now I am show you this very beautiful microphone, audio beautiful. It is so heavy. It is used in studio and stage program. Its voice is very nice and very beautiful. So you can try it. It is world famous condenser microphone. So there is something else. It is a stand adapter. You can see it. It is a stand adapter. Only two equipments including it. One is microphone and other is a stand adapter. It is a warranty card. It is warranty card. And this is manual for this microphone. Now I am going to end this video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like it.